Hi everyone! Today we're going to be revising the addition strategy Make 10, and we're also going to be revising the subtraction strategy that we learnt yesterday. So for today's lesson you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and you may also want to draw yourself a 10 frame and have something that you can use as counters. Now we said in the previous lessons that could be rocks, it could be pebbles, it could be flowers, pencils, milk bottle tops, anything you have around the house really. You can be creative. Okay, let's get started. So we can see the number sentence here, 7 add 5 is equal to. Now we know that we could start at 7 and count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But we have been focusing on a more efficient strategy called Make 10. So I want to see if you can remember that strategy from 2 days ago. Have a go at writing this number sentence and working out the answer. Once you have done so, press play and we'll go through it together. I have 7 red and I'm going to move the blue across to make 10, just like so. So I had 7 on this 10 frame, 7 red, and I had 5 blue. But our strategy is to make 10. So how many blue did I move across? That's right, 3. I moved 3 across to make 10 on this 10 frame. And now all I have to do is add the extra 2 over here. So 7 and 5 is the same as 10 plus 2. And who can remember why we make 10? That's right, we make 10 because it's just easier to add numbers onto 10. All right, are you ready to do another one? Your number sentence is 8 and 6 is equal to. So I want you to use the strategy make 10. How many blue do you need to move across? And what would the new number sentence be? Once you're ready, press play and we'll go through it together. Red, I move 2 blue across to make 10. So 8 and 6 is exactly the same as 10 on this 10 frame plus 4. I still have 8 red and I still have 6 blue. All I've done is moved my blue over to make 10. And we know that it's much easier to add on from 10, isn't it? Okay, we're going to do some subtraction now. Are you ready? I wonder if you can remember this strategy from yesterday. With addition, we add more to make 10, and then we add the extra ones. But with subtraction, we take away an amount, so we're left with 10, and then we work out how many more we need to take away. So I'm going to let you have a go at doing this on your own, and once you're ready, press play and we'll go through it together. Altogether, I have 16 purple, and I'm taking away 7, and I'm showing my taking away by crossing out. Now with this strategy we learnt yesterday, we take away an amount to make 10, so there's 10 left, sorry, and then we work out how many more we need to take away. So 16, I can see there's 10 on this 10 frame and 6 on this 10 frame. And I use my subitizing skills. I don't need to count by ones. Okay, I have 16. I'm going to take all of these 6 away. I don't need to count back by ones. I know that if I have 16 and if I take away 6, I'm left with 10. Well done. But this number sentence wasn't 16 take away 6. It was 16 take away 7. So what do I have to do now? That's right, I have to take one more away. And that's super easy. I know that 10 take away 1 is equal to 9. So 16 take away 7 is 9. That's right. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's see how many we have all together. I can see 10 on this 10 frame and 3 on this 10 frame. So 13 all together. 13, take away 5. Can you solve this by taking away an amount, so you're left with 10, and then working out how many more you need to take away? Once you've done that, press play and let's go through it together. I have 13, I'm taking away 5. So let's have a look. I'm going to start off with 13 and I'm going to take away these 3. So I start at 13, I'm not going to count back by ones, I'm going to take away 3 and I know that I'm left with 10. What do I have to do now? I've taken away 3, but I needed to take away 5. I know that 3 and 2 makes 5. So how many more do I need to take away? That's right, I need to take away 2 more. 1, 2. And I'm sure you don't even need to count back by ones because you're really good with your number bonds to 10. And you know that 10, take away these 2, is equal to 8. So my answer is 8. Can you see that by knowing your number bonds and looking at this on a 10 frame, it really helps you to be able to solve addition and subtraction problems quite quickly. And instead of counting back by ones, we can take away, so we're left with 10, and then work out how many more we need to take away. Okay, have a go at doing these ones on your own, and once you have gone through them all, you can press play and we'll go through the answers together. Okay, I start with 6 and I add 5 more. And the answer is 11. Well done. I have 8 and I add 5 more. And that's equal to 13. I hope you've made 10 and then added the extra ones. I have 16. I take away 8 and I'm left with 8. So I started at 16. I take away 6, so I'm left with 10. And then I work out how many more I needed to take away. 13 take away 4 is equal to 9. And last one, 7 add 6 more is equal to 13. Great learning today, Year 1. I know that you've been working really hard with your number bonds and that's helped you to be able to add and subtract efficiently. I'm really proud of you, so keep up the great work.